Hi, my name is Sachin and I'm a rising senior at Monte Vista High School. For my starter project, I created the MinPOV, which is a persistence of vision device. I chose this device because I wanted to work on something that included both hardware and software. For this device, I had to solder about 50 pieces onto the board and I had to download a program from my computer onto the device to display a certain color of lights. So what this device does is, if I shake it at a certain speed, you'll be able to see a display of lights in the air. So for the display, I had to solder on many different components. The first component I soldered on were the resistors. The resistors are used to balance out the current throughout the circuit. Here we have the microcontroller, which is the brains of the entire circuit. The microcontroller receives the image from the computer using the USB Type-B jack and sends it to the LED lights. Over here, we have the three capacitors, which are used to store the energy and the input-output voltage. Here I have the potentiometer, in which I can change the resistance that goes throughout the microcontroller to change the speed of the LED lights. And over here we have the three transistors, which are used to control the blue, green, and red lights throughout the circuit. And over here we have a 12 megahertz crystal, which is used in many watches for the time. In this project, it's used for the LED lights to display lights at a certain speed. So I'll do a demo really quick for the project. I just turned it on. And if I shake it at a certain speed, you'll be able to see a display of lights in the air. Unfortunately, it may be too bright right now. So some of the struggles that I had throughout the project were soldering. So this is the first time I soldered, so one of the biggest problems I had was desoldering, because I put solder into a hole where it didn't belong. So when I put the solder in the hole, it took me about 2 hours to remove the solder.
May I have your attention, please? May I have
Another
your
one?
attention, please?